Hi. Video to show you how to save a document and attach it to Blackboard. In this case, I'm going to use the annotated bibliography, which you've already submitted, but these instructions will work for any assignment you're working on this semester. So let's say that I'm using Google Docs. If I'm using Google Docs, what I want to do instead of sending a link to my instructor, I want to send the actual document so that it will open up on Blackboard so that she can comment on it. So I'm going to go to File, Download. I can either download it as a Microsoft Word document or as a PDF. Either of these options works fine. That document is now saved to my desktop as a PDF. I see it coming down right there, and it's also on my desktop. Then I can grab it and attach it to Blackboard. Let's say that I'm not using Google Docs. Let's say that I'm using Microsoft Word. I will want to go to File, Save As, and just make sure it's in a docx or doc format. I want to click Save. I actually already saved it earlier, and that means that can be attached to Blackboard, and as your instructor, I can read it and I can make comments on it, and then I can give you those breakpoints. If I don't want to save it as a docx, for some reason I'm worried that the formatting will get messed up, I can actually save as and click on the PDF button. Portable display format is actually very cool. It will kind of save things as flat image so your instructor can still read it, but if there are any differences between Microsoft Word at your instructor's house and your house, you won't have any problems. So let's say that I'm actually not using Microsoft Word. Let's say I'm using a simple program like TextEdit. TextEdit only offers me the option to export. It's called Export as PDF. So if I save it, it's in something called a TXT file. That means none of the formatting comes out. I can't do page number and feature, and my instructor will only see a little blob indicating that it's attached. She can't see the whole document and comment on it. So what we want to do in this case is click on the Export as PDF button. I should call this Duncan's Annotated Bibliography. I'm going to actually put mine on my desktop so I always know where it is. Desktop, there we go. And that means I have my annotated bibliography in TextEdit in that program, and it's saved to my desktop now. So my job now is to go back to Assignments, click on this button, attach, and then submit my document. Now, if you're worried that you submitted something you didn't want or something else happened, don't worry about that. We're going to show you what to do if that happens. I'm just going to scooch my screen over so you can kind of see where I'm at. So it actually is going to say, here's how many points it is, here's what I need to do. I need to browse my computer. And I will move the screen over to show you what the submit button looks like. So I'm going to browse my computer. You can see I've done this assignment like 3 times. Any of these drafts is fine. One of them is from Google Docs, one from Microsoft Word, one's from TextEdit. Any of those will work. I can see in my window it looks correct to me. I'm going to click on the Open button. Now I'm going to go to the right-hand side of my screen. I don't want to click on Save Draft. Save Draft is if I just want to kind of hold it there and not submit it right away, maybe go back and look at it. In this case, we want you to submit it. When you submit it, your instructor can then look at it from his or her computer. So I'm going to click on Submit, and it will give me some indication. I actually think as an instructor it won't allow me to submit my document, but I'm going to try it again and see if it will allow me to do it. Hit submit. Mine won't allow me to do it because I'm a teacher, but on yours it will actually give you a green bar or a blue bar that says your document was submitted, and it will actually give you a little email that says, yes, you've successfully submitted your document. Now, if you've submitted your document and you're not sure if you've submitted the right one, don't get upset, don't get worried. Just go back to that Submit Rough Draft link, click on it a second time. What will happen when you click on that is your old draft is going to come up, and you can actually view it to see if it's there. So I know if you haven't worked with Blackboard before, this can be kind of nerve-wracking, but I just wanted to give you some hints on how to do that. Thanks for watching.